Today we're featuring a 2008 Ford F150 XLT. It's a four-wheel drive. It's got 60,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax 2-owner. Okay, it's Pueblo Gold metallic clear coat. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. All right, it does have the chrome running boards. It does have the extended cab. Okay, we see it has the hard-to-know cover. Everything down the driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. Make our way down the passenger side. Small little ding right here on the fender there, but real minor. I mean, something this old, 60,000 miles on a 2008, you're going to have a ding here and there, but it will be competitively priced. It will be fairly priced. All right, but overall, this Ford F-150 is in great shape. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, you got the tan, light tan and dark tan door panel. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. You do have the nice thick rubber floor mats down here. All right, it is tan cloth seating. All right, it's the 40-20-40 bench seats. All right, it does come with the keyless entry key fob. Okay, it's got some storage right here. This will raise up. You just got to pull this button here, pull that up. All right, and it turns into the bench seat. Passenger seat looks good. Cloth in this truck is actually in really good shape. Alright, there's your four-wheel drive, your climate control area, and it does have AM/FM CD player. Alright, let's go ahead and check the mileage. Okay, it's got 60,207 miles. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you your AM/FM CD player, climate control area once again. You do have a power supply outlet there. All right, AC is already blowing cold. We just turned it on, but AC is already blowing cold. No problems there. Let's take a look in the back. All right. Let's take a look at the back seat cloth. Everything's in really good shape. There's not a scratch on this cloth. All right, interior. Got a convenient power outlet there, cup holders there, but everything on the interior of this Ford is in great shape. Been really well taken care of. 60,000 miles on a 2008. All right, you got your hard-to-know cover. It raises up. Tailgate comes down. It does have the plastic bed liner and the bed mat, rubber bed mat that's back here. Go. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. All right, let's see. We've got 17-inch chrome caps right there. Okay, tires are still in pretty good shape. Still plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2008 Ford F-150 XLT four-wheel drive, clean Carfax 2-owner. It's a 2008, only 60,000 miles on it. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.